My name's Andy. I'm Andrew Hahn. I work at EUCO. I'm the lead tech for the repair room. About 3 years ago, I got into this and I haven't bought gas since, and it's much better than driving in my opinion. I get road rage like crazy. So when I first started getting into this, I was trying to research what would be the most efficient way of getting around without a car. I was looking into the one wheel, I saw the hover shoes even, and when I came across the EUC, I was like, I don't want to have to take an hour to get to wherever I'm going, to get to work or something. So I discovered these, and my first wheel went 31 miles, my Nikola went 43 miles, and now my Monster Pro, I go 50. So hopefully every year we get like a good 10-year bump, and in a couple more years we can be going 70. But yeah, I love it. It's a very cliche thing to say, but it's a life-changing experience. So yeah.